Here's a video introducing the key features of PERFERATE heat press machine. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start learning about PERFERATE heat press machine key features. Exceptional performance. Features a dual heating plate design with 900 watts high power for rapid heating, boosting production efficiency. Temperature control. Equipped with an advanced temperature control system, allowing precise setting and stable maintenance of target heating temperatures within the 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range, plus and, or minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit tolerance. High adaptability. Preheating pressure can be adjusted via the pressure adjustment nut to accommodate items of varying thicknesses and sizes. User-friendly. Features an electronic timer supporting 0 to 999 second operation settings, with an automatic audible alert upon program completion. Simple operation. Intuitive control panel and LCD display design enable high-quality heat transfer results without specialized knowledge. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.